Carefully take the Cricut Maker out of the box and remove any packaging. Within the box, you'll find light grip and fabric grip cutting mats, a Cricut pen, rotary blade and housing, premium fine point blade and housing, the Cricut Maker, a welcome pack, resource materials, a power cable and a USB cable. Start by inserting the power cable into the round hole on the back of the machine. Setting up your Cricut Maker on a USB device. Secure the square-shaped end of the USB cable into the remaining port on the back of the Maker, then place the USB end into your laptop or desktop computer. Open your web browser and type design.cricut.com/setup in the search bar. Create a Cricut ID by filling out the required fields on the form. Download the plugin and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Open the machine by lifting the top lid, then power on the machine. Once logged into Design Space, follow the on-screen prompts to take a tour and start designing. Setting up your Cricut Maker on a Bluetooth device. With the machine powered on, open up the Bluetooth menu in your device settings and ensure it is switched on. Select the Cricut machine from the device list. Enter the code 0000 to pair with your Cricut Maker. This code is the same for all Cricut machines. Once paired, the power button will turn blue to signify it is connected to your device via Bluetooth. Search for and install the Cricut Design Space app. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your Cricut ID, then log into Design Space. Follow the on-screen prompts to take a tour of Design Space and discover the endless possibilities. Before using your Cricut Maker, make sure it is positioned at least 10 inches from the wall. This will allow the mats to move through the machine freely. To charge your Bluetooth device at any point, plug it into the USB port on the right-hand side of the machine. Once the design is complete and you're ready to cut, your iPad or tablet device can be stored in the slot on top of the machine.